What's up guys, today we will decide if this Audi RS7 Performance is the ultimate four-door saloon. The RS7 came out in 2010 and there's been loads of iterations after that, such as the S7 and the RS7 that we all love and adore. But this here is not just the Audi RS7. This is the Performance, which is more aggressive and more sportier, and we'll get onto performance statistics a bit later in the video, but let's check out this head-turning front of the car. Starting off with the colour, this is finished in Nardo Grey, which works really nicely with a black honeycomb grille. It's got the black Audi logo and the RS7 badge. What I really like is the carbon front splitter. It looks really nice with the carbon trims on the air intakes as well. Not to mention it's got the extended wheel arch and the HD Matrix LED headlights with the Audi laser light. So let's go check out the side. From the side, you've got the tinted back windows, you've got the carbon side skirts, your carbon mirror housing really does give it a more aggressive look at these 22-inch alloy wheels. Now they've got the 5Y spoke, which looks really good and really aggressive, but you can notice that it is a Performance with the design because you only get these alloys on the Performance, and you've also got the red brake calipers. At the rear now, you've got the aerodynamic sleek design, you've got the privacy glass, you've got the Audi black badge and the RS7, but you've got the full LED tail light as well as the textured design. But what I really love is the carbon protruding trim, which looks really cool, and these huge oval exhausts on either side. Now onto the interior. Now let's take a look at these seats. Now these are the RS extended leather black and blue with hexagon patterns with a blue stitching and the RS embossed. Not to mention that these are four-way lumbar support with the memory function and electronically adjustable. On the interior now, we've got the Alcantara multifunctional flat-bottom steering wheel with the gear pedals and the RS embossed. This can also do speed limiter, cruise control, park assist and lane departure. What you've got behind it is the 12.3-inch virtual cockpit, and you can change the display and brightness behind that, and I'll show you that in just one second. But you've got the carbon trims around it, and joint on the doors is the Alcantara design with the blue stitching. And that Alcantara is also on the gear selector and on the centre armrest. But onto the infotainment centre, what I found is that you have to press quite hard on the touchscreen for it to work. But on that navigation, as you can see, we're right next to the Stoke City Stadium, so it's really 3D and really cool. But onto that settings now, if you go into settings, display and brightness, you can change the cockpit how dark or bright that you would like it. So it's really designable. On the climate control, you've got the heated seats and the aircon, and you can press these three dots and it will pop up into the top infotainment centre. But here is the spoiler button. If I press that, the spoiler will open, and then if I just hold onto this button, it will retract the rear spoiler, which is really cool. And then we've got the Alcantara gear selector and the Alcantara centre armrest, but you've also got this cool revealing cup holders, which is really cool for storage in the front. So let's go check out the back. In the back, you've also got the leather seats with the blue and the RS embossed seat. You've also got the Isofix anchors for the children's seats, but what is cool is the centre armrest, really nice and easy, and you've got this two cup holders plus the drawer if you wanted to store any other things. But what you get is the climate control in the digital with a heated seat, which all blends nicely. But what is a brilliant touch is the blue seat belts. They really add and really give it a lot more character. Onto storage in the front and space. You've not got too much. Obviously these seats are electronically adjustable, so you can move them forward and back nice and easy. But for storage, you've got the centre armrest, but it's not a very big compartment. You've got the centre console with the two cup holders, but other than that and the glove box, there's not too much storage space. For the storage in the back, you've got the storage nest there and just the cup holders in the doors, but regards to space, there's not too much for the RS7 for headroom and knee room. Onto the boot, what is good, it's got the powered tailgate, which is really cool. If you've got heavy bags and 2 clicks of a button, the boot can open. It's got this long boot, it's not very tall, but it can hold 535 litres with them seats up. Now onto power, because this engine is a beast. But before that, the comparison of these cars is such as the Jaguar XF RS and the BMW M5. So if you had no budget, which one would you choose? But onto power now. This can do a 0 to 62 time in 3.4 seconds. It's got a top speed of 174 miles per hour, PS is 630, and it's got 850 Newton meters of engine torque. And it wouldn't be right if I didn't rev this engine. So listen to this. So then, you've listened to a little bit of the history of the RS7, you've seen the exterior, interior, you've seen the storage, and you've listened to how powerful this beast is. So you decide if this is the ultimate 4-door saloon. Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because we'll be here every Friday reviewing a new car. Let me know if you want to see any other cars in the comments, and I'll see you later.